ay nawala po tayo sa Facebook. Ano ho? At ang dahilan ay ginawa kong bago itong ating studio. Dahil sa pagnanasa ko na lalong mapalawak ang paglilingkod na pambayan ng Utusa.tv sa magitan ng Operation Tulong USA Foundation Incorporated. At nais ko rin ipaabot sa inyo na na-miss ko kayo habang ginagawa po namin itong aming bagong studio. At makikita po ninyo ang bagong setup namin ngayon. Pati ako ay hindi na nakaupo. Sa halip na naumentohan ay pinatayo na ako. Kaya nakatayo na ako. So, kumusta po kayo? Naasahan ang inyong lingkod na kayo ay sinasapit ng ating palatuntunan ito, ng ating pilang ito na nasa mabuting kalagayan. Pero bago tayo magtungo sa iba pang mga kaganapan, ay nais ko munang itungo ang ating mga ulo at tayo ay manalangin. Panginoon, kami ay sumasampalataya at nagpapasalamat sa iyong mga biyaya na pinagkaloob sa amin, at sana ang lahat ng aking mga ka-OFW ay magkaroon ng biyaya na lalong kapupunan ng kanilang pangarap para makauwi na at maangkap ang kanilang mga mahal sa buhay. At sana kami lahat ay magmahalan at magpahalagahan sa ngalan ng lumikha sa amin. Kami ay sumasampalataya na ayon sa iyong kabanalan. Amen. So, yan mga ka-Pilipino, na kahit na nagbibiro ng inyong lingkod, kinakailangan tayo ay magdasal. Dahil yan ang ating yan ang ating pinagmulan. Kaya lahat kayo ay pinaabot ko ang aking pagpapahalaga at pagmamahal. At nais ko rin ipaabot kay Pinpin B. Takipsilim, congratulations sa iyong tatanggapin na award, elevated, yung pinagkaloob na award ng Operation Tulong USA Foundation Incorporated na Father of Philippine Visual Poetry noong August 29, 2011 na magkaroon ng Facebook banding sa Antipolo, Rizal, Philippines. At sa June 2nd or June 4, pagdating nila rito, ay pagkakaloob po natin, hindi lamang certificate, sapagkat ipinagkaloob ko noon ay certificate, ang aking pagkakaloob ay ang trophy ng Father of Philippine Visual Poetry. Yan, congratulations! Pinpin B. Takipsilim, na kung aking tawagin ay Fantasy B, at ako'y nagagalak sapagkat lumawak na ang pagkakilala sa Fantasy B na aking tinagurian. Bakit hindi tawagin kung merong sonnet poetry, merong narrative poetry, bakit yung visual poetry, bakit hindi umisip ng katawagan? Kaya I introduced the word Fantasy B. At ako'y nagagalak sapagkat ito ngayon ay nagkakaroon na ng katotohanan. Bueno, dahil sa bago kasi itong ating studio, ako'y nag-imbita ng mga magiging bisita natin dito, at ito ay napakalaki ang may tutulong nila sa ating paglilingkod na pambayan, lalong-lalo na sa inyong mga ka-OFW na naglilingkuran sa iba't ibang bahagi ng mundo, sapagkat ito ang tugon ng aking pangarap, ng inyong pangarap, na magkaroon tayo ng sarili nating debit and remit card. Kaya aking inibitahan ang grupong ito na galing sa East West Bank, at sila ang tulay ko sa pagkakaroon ng koneksyon. Walang iba kundi si Beverly Tai. Kaya tatawagan, I'm very thankful. This group dropped by in our office and I invited them to visit us. And especially this is our first presentation after we did our new construction of our new building. Oh, new building. I call it new building. New studio of Utusa.tv. In the person of Miss Beverly Tai. Miss Beverly Tai, please come over to our studio. And thank you very much again. Please go to our guest mic. There you go. Welcome again to our studio.
Should I say something?
Yeah, of course, okay. Of course.
Hi, everyone. Just say hello, right? I'm very happy to be here today, especially invited by many. I hope pretty soon we can start our debit cards
And the remit-
yeah,
the
the
remit
remittance. Okay, then I get a chance come back again.
Wow.
Right? Then we can celebrate.
And you can see and you can experience the environment of our new studio. When you last to visit,
Yes.
it was not like this.
Yes.
You were sitting down,
Yes.
and now you are standing up. So we are elevated. We are close to heaven.
We just upgrade, right?
Yeah, I
Oh,
upgraded. That's
yeah,
why.
yeah.
I
So
stand up.
everything is upgrading now.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Instead of sitting down,
Right.
I upgraded it. Now I'm standing.
So the next time when we come back here, I hope we celebrate our new debit cards.
Wow! And now we are celebrating our new studio.
Yes.
Uh-huh.
Congratulations, Amy.
Thank you very much. Thank
Okay.
you. Okay.
Thank you.
I'd like to call up one of a very respected person and let's say one of highly respected executive of East West Bank. No other than Mr. Richard Chang. May I call Mr. Richard Chang? Thank you very much for dropping by in our studio. And let's go to our microphone. There you go. Just stay behind me.
Okay.
All right, there. Thank you very much for coming over here, Mr. Richard Chang.
Oh, hi.
Richard is the one. Can he just speak in Chinese?
Yeah, yeah. It's my privilege to have you speak in Chinese because you know how many there are 600,000 Filipinos working in Hong Kong.
Wow.
600,000.
Wow.
There are 350,000 working in Taiwan. So, and there are more than 50,000 working in China. So you can greet them.
Over 1 million.
Yeah, in Chinese.
Just in Chinese.
Wow.
Okay, go ahead. Talk to them.
Wow, to the Chinese.
Yeah,
这
yeah.
里有超过100万人的中国人
哇
在这里面，在 Asia，所以你可以用中文跟大家 say hello。
Wow, okay. Chinese says, hey, 大家好 and
我是
Hong Kong people in the Hong Kong list.
yeah，
大家好.
And in Taiwan.
he doesn't he doesn't speak Chinese.
Oh, I see. Okay.
He
So,
speaks Mandarin and Cantonese.
oh, all right.
Oh,
So, I'd like to thank you for helping us to establish a debit and remit card, and the processing center will be East West Bank.
Yes.
And ladies and gentlemen, in a short period of time, our dream of having a debit remit card of Otusa Foundation Incorporated will be realized through Beverly Tai, through Mr. Richard Chang. Thank you very much for coming over. And I'm going to call up, thank you, just stay close to me, because we will be having a pictorial in a little while. Alice Chai, thank you very much for coming over, Alice.
Thank you.
Okay, and first of all, I'd like to thank you. And also in the name of our 1,000 OFWs around the world, go ahead and greet them.
Hi, everybody. Today is my honor to invite by Minutes to visit their new studio.
You like it? How do you like it?
Yes, perfect.
Oh, wow.
Like heaven, right?
Yeah. And also, I would like to say something because June is Father Day. So I'd like to wish every single Philippine father they have a happy and healthy life.
Wow, thank you. Thank you very much. Okay, and another visitor of mine, I'm going to call up Mr. Richard Law. Come over here, sir. Thank you very much for coming over. There you go. And let's face our microphone here. And I'd like to say thank you very much for coming over here. And you have the opportunity to say hello to thousands of OFWs working all over the world who are watching our station right now.
Congratulations, you have a new studio. That's a great opportunity, then a good opportunity to talk with all the whole world of the Philippine people. I'm very honest to have this opportunity to say, see everybody. I hope in the future I got much more good business, good opportunity to service to you.
Wow! Thank you very much, sir. Now I'd like to request our director here. Let's have a picture here. There you go. And move. I'd like to have a picture live on air.
Okay. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Wow! One more time.
4. Okay.
All right.
1, 2, 3.
Wow! Thank you very much. Okay, thank you.
Thank
Okay,
you.
thank you very much.
Yes,
Thank you,
thank you
sir.
so much.
Thank you, Richard. Thank you,
Thank you,
Beverly.
congratulations.
Thank you. Thank you, Beverly, Alice. Thank you, Mr. Law. Okay. Bueno, mga Kapilipino, yan po. At natutuwa ko, yan ang ating tulay para magkaroon ng katugunan. Ang ating pong pangarap na magkaroon ng debit and remit card na sinasabi ko sa inyo, ni-explain ko po sa inyo sa ating pong palagi ang pagsasama-sama sa Utusan.tv. At dahil po dito, ako po ay nag-iiwan sa inyo ng pagkain kaisipan mula dito sa ating bagong studio. Ang aking palagi ang iniiwang pagkain kaisipan, ang utang na loob ay hindi dapat nabayaran, sa halip ito ay pasa. Ang inyong kagapay sa hirap at ginhawa, ang inyong Kuya Manny Calvido po. Salamat at mabuhay.